Hi friends. So one of my video, someone requested for clearing entries when outward check is presented. So my scenario is, so X bank, X bank as a customer, and he brought one check for the collection. Check belongs to Y bank. Okay. So X bank customer, he got a check from his friend, relatives or business. He got a Y bank check, and Y bank check he has deposited in his account for the collection. Then normally what happens? Clearing process will be 3 days. So first day will collect the checks and will enter into the system. Second day will post a entry. So if it is pass, then we'll credit the customer account. If it is return, then we'll reverse the amount. So third day, customer can come and withdraw the amount. So this is when a check is sent from X bank to clearing house, or clearing house can be depend on the place. It can be SBI or it can be RBI. So first day there won't be any entry posted in the system. Okay. Second day will post the entry. Will show you happy path means success, return, and how to collect the check, return check, check return charges, everything entries will post it. Normally what happens in a places like Hyderabad or Bangalore, for example, X bank having some 20-30 branches, but every branch they won't do the clearing operations. They'll keep one centralized clearing office in house. All the checks collected from the different branches will be sent to the clearing house. So in this scenario, how the entries will be posted? Okay, on the, so you can see in my remarks, outward clearing, second day, credit to savings account, amount is collected. Okay, so first what we'll do, we'll debit the outward clearing settlement. So here we can see like branches will be involved, like a central clearing house, and St. Mark's branch is the customer branch. So entries will be posted in central clearing house as well as St. Mark's Road branch. So first entry you can see in central clearing house, they'll debit the outward clearing and they'll credit the inter branch of St. Mark's Road. So St. Mark's Road, what they'll do, they'll debit the inter branch because they have credited. These people will debit the inter branch. You can see these two will be nullified. Then they'll credit the main branch clearing. Then once again they'll debit the main branch clearing. Then they'll credit the savings account. And these four entries will be posted in St. Mark's Road branch where the actual account is holding. This is the clearing house. So you can see the, if you remove all these four entries, outward clearing will be debited and savings will be credited. For example, this is the happy path if check is passed. If check is returned due to any reason, it may be technical, non-technical, or because of insufficient funds. So what are the entries posted in Central Clearing House and St. Mark's Road? So Central Clearing House, same set, they'll debit the outward clearing settlement, then credit the interbranch. So St. Mark's Road, they'll debit the interbranch, then they'll credit the main branch clearing, then they'll debit the main branch clearing and they'll credit the outward clearing return because check is written and we are not giving credit to the customer. So this amount will be credited to the outward return general ledger. So these scenarios, what they'll, banks will collect the some charges from the customer. So you can see the third set, savings account is debited with 118 rupees and it will be credited to outward clearing return charges is the income for bank 100 rupees and 18 rupees is the GST payable. So, when a check is sent from X bank to other bank for the collection through clearing house, it may be SBI or Reserve Bank of India, these entries will be posted. Only I have given example for one outward, happy path, return and charges collection. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe, share with your friends. Please like my video. Please subscribe my channel.